There are many ways to make money with digital marketing. Some examples include affiliate marketing, promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale. Paid advertising, use platforms like Google AdWords or Facebook ads to drive traffic to your website and earn money through pay-per-click or pay-per-impression advertising. Email marketing, build an email list and send targeted promotions to subscribers. Influencer marketing, use your social media following to promote products and earn money through sponsored posts or affiliate links. Creating and selling your own digital products such as ebooks, online courses, and webinars. Offering digital marketing services such as SEO, PPC, and social media management to businesses. It's important to note that making money with digital marketing requires a clear strategy, targeting the right audience, and consistently creating valuable content. Affiliate marketing, this is a performance-based marketing strategy where an individual, called an affiliate, promotes a product or service and earns a commission for each sale made as a result of their promotion. Affiliates typically promote products through their own websites, social media accounts, or email lists, and use special tracking links to ensure that they are credited for any sales made as a result of their promotion. Paid advertising. Paid advertising involves using platforms like Google AdWords or Facebook ads to drive traffic to your website. These platforms allow you to create ads targeting specific audiences and bid on keywords or placements to ensure that your ads are seen by the right people. In pay-per-click (PPC) advertising, you pay each time someone clicks on your ad, and in pay-per-impression (PPI) advertising, you pay each time your ad is. Email marketing. Email marketing involves building an email list of people who have shown an interest in your business, and then sending them targeted promotions or updates about your products or services. Email marketing can be a powerful way to reach customers and drive sales, but it's important to ensure that your emails are well-designed, relevant, and not too frequent. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing involves partnering with individuals who have a large following on social media to promote your products or services. Influencers can use their platforms to create sponsored posts, reviews, or other types of content that promote your business and drive sales. Creating and selling your own digital products. This includes creating and selling ebooks, online courses, webinars, and other types of digital products. This can be a great way to leverage your expertise and create a passive income stream. Offering digital marketing services. This includes providing services such as search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, and social media management to businesses looking to improve their online presence. This can be a great way to monetize your digital marketing skills and help businesses grow. In order to bring these issues to life, it is important to improve yourself on one of them and focus only on it. Remember that you cannot and should not do two things with one hand.